Harvey Kaufman.
And Jimmy Delio.
My wife and I bought our place here 17 years ago. We are kind of a little more than snowbirds. I thought the slide presentation was tremendous. Dr. Mike, he is fabulous. Very educational, very worthwhile. It went fast. I can't believe the time right now. It's worthwhile. Anybody that's got any interest in any problem with arthritis, aches and pains, whatever, should definitely consider taking an hour and a half out of their so-called busy day and attend this.
I found it very interesting because the situation, the lectures, the slides, everything is very beneficial, and it's amazing how just things have advanced in the modern, fields and everything like that.
Oh, definitely. This is the tip of the iceberg. The tip of the iceberg. It was time well spent.
Yep.
My wife is facing a knee replacement surgery up in Ohio. It could be a lifesaver, a quality of life saver.